Alrighty, so it is like a little after 8 o'clock out here in Austin. I was doing some yard maintenance, yard work. I got started a little late, got in a little late, so I started late. So I was able to do the front yard and the backyard, or pretty much half the backyard. Time for new batteries. So, you know, like I say, I just want to share, like this is my weed eater. I'm about to use this in the morning because I'm not going to mess with it tonight. I deal with it tomorrow. Give you a quick little view of this here, battery operated. But these are my batteries for my lawnmower, for my Ryobi. I'm going to show you right quick. But these are two batteries here. I got my gloves. I got my mask on. Gotta have my mask because my allergies is no joke. No joke. But the question that I do have, I'm asking myself, do I want to wait till I get my Tesla bot to let it do the grass for me? Or should I want to look into the robot? I like that robot, the robot mower that I saw out there in Seymour, that they had out there in Seymour. So I'm just trying to see. I sure might have one of those. It's dope, you know, robot out here cutting the grass for me, or Tesla bot. So whichever way we decide to go, hey, can't go wrong. Either Tesla bot or get me a robot lawnmower. Since I want to, you know, have to keep paying somebody to do it. Hey, you never know. But let's go to the back right quick and get this installed. Put these two batteries in and finish the yard up. See, I already started. Put my mask on. That's how bad it is. Hope you can hear me. But I'm just making a short video right here. Just trying to debate Tesla bot, using this, or get the robot lawnmower. I saw those at the SEMA that pretty awesome. So boom, boom. Start it up. There it go. Ain't all loud or nothing. I usually have my headphones on, but I'm just talking right quick, making a quick video. You know, vlogging about my options on cutting the grass. So watch this. Let me show you. I wish it was dark. The light, it's gonna go off eventually. Just to show you how bright that light is. So yeah, I love this. You can control the speed. It's super fast. Getting the job done, getting the task done and out, over with. There you go. You see the light off completely. Look how good you can see. Look how good it's see. You can see it with that light. Pretty amazing. Yep. So yeah. I just want to show you how battery operated, get the job done. Look how bright that thing is. It ain't that loud as you can imagine. So I'm done with this. I just got a weed eat in the morning. But tomorrow when I get out. But yeah, see, I hope the light don't come on the side. Watch this. Look how good it leads the way. So yeah, I like about this. Slow it down. So yeah. So I'm just debating, is Tesla bot gonna be out here doing this for me, or I want to get that robot lawnmower. So let me know what let me know what you think. What would you do? This joke. Look at my older video. I'm gonna leave in the link when I picked this one up. This is like a newer model Ryobi, which I love it. Much better improvement from the previous versions. I had problems, a couple problems with the previous version. If I'm not mistaken, my previous version only can use, can run one battery at a time. But now on this one, 40 volt, brushless, you can use 2 batteries. It can be operated with 1 battery, but for best performance, install 2 batteries. Got your key there. So yeah, there you have it. So like when you're done with it, and everything, hope you can hear me pretty good with this mask on. I don't play. Hope you can hear me pretty good here. So yeah, I love this this newer model here. You done with it, fold it away, boom. Just that simple. Much faster and convenient than the previous version. Just like that. Put it up to storage. Just like that. So tomorrow when I get off or whatever, I'm going to weed eat. Do the edging and weed eating. Getting the weed killer. Getting ready for the summer here. But yeah, I just want to make this quick video here on my choice of lawnmower. But now I'm trying to debate if I want to do Tesla bot or get the robot. Hey, all right, so I just wanted to show right quick also, how nice and convenient and how much space it saves folding up and out the way, just like that. So next day, so I'm finna finish up this yard work. Last night I had a little problem with my allergies. I gotta wear this mask because of, but anyway, I'm here to talk about right quick to show you what I choose or my choice. The weed eating and edging, battery operated, baby. You know what I'm saying, 40 volt Black & Decker. Get the job done. I got the extra batteries for that as well, just like I got the batteries for the lawnmower as I was showing you in the previous video. Lawnmower, weed eater, everything else. But so yeah, let's give you a little quick glimpse of this bad boy in action. It gets the job done. Amazing. You see how it looks right now? Well, when I get through, that thing gonna look, gonna look like a totally different ball game. So stay tuned. All right, so for example, I'm finna do the edging. Push that button, turn that bad boy like this. Let's get to it. Watch this. So then you got, I had it in 2. So these are thicker here because this is the first cut of the year. It's been built up. So I can bump that bad boy up to 5 or 6 and it's really gonna tackle the job. It's gonna use the battery more though, but I got plenty of batteries for it. Watch this. Look at that. See, cutting right through it. That was on 5. I'm sorry. Yeah, that was on 5. This is 6. See, I'm gonna finish up the rest of the yard. But that was on 6. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got different levels here, so it's gonna get the job done. So don't let nobody tell you that battery operated equipment don't cut the job. Don't let nobody tell you battery operated equipment don't get the job done. You know, I'm only gonna speak about it if I really use it or got experience with it. So let me show you the lawnmower right quick in the daylight. But I love this. Anytime you gotta worry about no gas, only thing I gotta do is worry about is once they run out, just changing the strings out. That's it. That's about it. And then keeping the battery full, and I'm good. I take that anytime they have to worry about filters, spark plugs, and so on with 2-cycle engines or whatever, you know, gas, oil, mixing it together, all that. You ain't gotta worry about all that. You gotta think about this, you know. The way to go. You get 40 volts, man, that's gonna get it. Look how thick that is. It's gonna knock it down in no time. Let me show you the lawnmower real quick. All right, so remember I showed you how easy it's to store it away. Just like how easy it is. Bam, let that up. Lock that in place. And bam, you know, like I say, 2 batteries go in there. You can use it with 1, but 2 gonna be better, you know. 2 double 40 amp. I mean 40 volts. Horsepower. Brushless. So like I said, I take this any day. I got extra batteries. I got more batteries than I need now, to be honest with you. Once it cut, 21 inches. You ain't worry about no gas, filters, spark plugs, all that stuff, you know. Charge and go. Charge and go. Every now and then I'll wash it down, you know, when I'm done with it, of course. But charge and go. Got the light on it. We can see at nighttime, as you can see in the other video where I was cutting last night. I was cutting in the complete dark because I don't get started. I got started late, and then I'll be stopping, going, and just doing all over things, answering calls and things like that. So it takes me forever to do so. Sun is not that bad on me right now, but yeah. This is the battery operated lawnmower. Boom. I'm done with it. Let that down like that. Let that bad boy up. Put it back in the storage and you're done. Just like that. You ain't worry about no gas leaking, anything, all that nature, you know. Bam. I'm finna get the weed eater and chop it up. Like I said, this is the first. I'm gonna get this yard cut. But I just want to show you with my weed eater lawnmower. Battery operated. Not just EVs, but battery operated on everything I do. Come on, y'all. Cell phones, hey. I don't see why people be hating on it, but hey, they do. So yeah, I just pretty much got done. I was stopping. I would have got done way earlier when it was more daylight here, but you know me, I'm always busy stuff, stopping and going, handling business and so on. But anyway, so like I said, all battery power and operated. Only thing, and I used about two and a half batteries to get the job done, because this is the first cut for the year. This is the very first cut for the year, and the very first cut for the year, and we it was kind of thick. It was thicker than normal. It's thicker than normal. But the only thing I don't have battery operated, I must say, is my blower. This cord here, but once again, it's not gas. It's corded. It's electric here, still. So my blower here. So yeah, I just want to show right quick. That's the only thing that ain't battery operated right there is the blower. But everything else, the lawnmower, the weed eater, battery powered, baby. The only way I know. the best way. Don't have to worry about no filters, all that good stuff like I said before. So I don't think I gotta do now and just plug the bad boys up on charge. So check this out. Let's see. Blow all this down. Look at the edge. The edge is amazing. So like I said, I use 2.5 batteries. One there, and this one right here. It ain't completely dead. I don't know why it's not showing, but anyway. It'll be doing this thing in a minute, but yeah. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. Race season about to kick off. Peace. So yeah, out doing yard work all day today. Hey, now it's time to get my allergies back in line. What better way to do it? This right here, one of my go-tos, prior to and after, but definitely need it for anyone that has crazy allergies, especially like out here we do in Texas. So hey, you can shop this and get other good ideas at my Walmart storefront, link below, and for all your Walmart needs as well, anything on there. It's your boy EV Smoke ATX. Check it out. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.